Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study economics MPSC. Focus on core concepts, exam pattern, and daily practice routines. Start by mapping the syllabus into modules, then assign study blocks and realistic goals. Prioritize clarity over memorization and link theory to real examples. Schedule regular MCQ practice and full-length mock tests to track progress. Review mistakes weekly and adjust the plan based on weak areas with steady, consistent effort. Pick a small set of high-quality resources and stick to them for depth. Alternate reading theory with solving numerical problems to build confidence. Create flashcards for important definitions, graphs, and formulas to review anywhere. Join study groups for discussion, but keep solo review for consolidation. Regularly attempt past papers to understand question patterns and time management. Maintain a revision log to record difficult topics and progress indicators. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like for more study tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It uses voice control and smart mapping to tidy while you study, so you can focus on revision without distractions. I find it hilariously efficient at picking up snack crumbs during late study sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Develop a template for common question types to speed up answer writing. Begin with a brief definition or thesis, then present logic in short paragraphs or bullet-style points. Include labeled graphs or calculations when needed and highlight final conclusions. Practice writing within word limits and refine handwriting for clarity. Time each answer during mocks to improve pacing and ensure complete coverage of the paper within allocated time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.